Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Bride of Chucky in Dress to Impress for Halloween. I'm just going to remove everything here so I can show you guys the tutorial. It's actually super simple, no adjustments needed. Go to the the mask hairstyle, and I'm just going to color it this yellow color, FDDEA7 for all of it, and then go to feminine and add this one. And no bangs. Same color. You can add black too, but I don't really like the two-toned hair. Then I'm just going to put on this top here. You can kind of use any bridal top, but this seems the most bridal one. Also, you don't need VIP for this. Then grab these shoes and color it all black. Then grab these fishnets in thick. Then go to the dressing rooms, and we're going to use, I'm going to use the skirt, but you can use the skirt that you have. Let's do type 4. And then for the jacket, I'll just go to codes and add this one. Where is it? Oh, here it is. In black and in jacket only, no watermelon. Then lastly, we're going to add this necklace in black and this gray color. And that is the Bride of Chucky. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.